Hi everybody, my name is BjornBehrendt, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create your first timeline using TimelineJS. This video is being created as part of a public badge training or a public badge offered through Badger PD, which is a Google Sheet add-on in the Chrome Web Store. I encourage you to check that out. Now, TimelineJS is an actual timeline. If you notice, you kind of go through it. It's embeddable, or you can share it via a link. It has many different media applications that you can embed in here. Here's one from SoundCloud. Very elegant, very easy to use. All the data is stored in a Google spreadsheet. Now, TimelineJS does have a video that I encourage you to watch. But their example in the video is older and Google has changed some of the process. So I wanted to create a new video showing the brand new process for creating a timeline. So to create your first timeline, go ahead and click the green Make a Timeline. Brings you down here to the instructions. This is a 4-step process. Step 1 is you want to create get a copy of the template sheet. This is different from the video. In this case, I'm going to hit make a copy. And what you see here is the spreadsheet. Do not change any of the headings across the top. Those need to stay exactly as they are, in the order they are, and with the text that they're listed. And also do not change the sheet here, and make sure this sheet is always the first one. Okay, I'm going to go back. I've done step 1, which is create the copy from their template. Next is going to be publish it to the web. So I'm going to click File, Publish to the web. I'm going to click Publish, click OK. This is Control-C to copy. You do not use this. There's a change in the way Google does things. You do not need this, so just go ahead and close that URL as long as it's published. And I'm going to go back to TimelineJS. Even in their instructions, they normally say to copy this, but notice that the attention here as of July 2017, what you need to do actually is copy this URL across the top, not the published one. I'm going to hit Control-C. I'm going to go to Timeline. And I'm going to go to step 3, and I'm going to paste that particular URL. There's a width and a height. And I think I'm going to hit Enter. Now that that is in here, there are some settings that you can choose if you want. If you have a different language, if you want it to start at a specific space, show some navigation, many different things that you can add under optional settings. And now to the last setting is the shareable link. At this point, you have a link right here you can use. This box gets automatically updated as soon as this box in step 3 gets populated. And this is a shared link, so I'm going to hit Control-C, open up a new tab, and I'm going to hit Control-V, and I'm going to hit Enter. And it brings me right to the very first TimelineJS, and the data is being automatically pulled right from this spreadsheet. Any changes you make to the spreadsheet will automatically be reflected on this timeline. So again, I want to thank you very much, and never stop learning.